Okay, just kind of filming this little beach cleanup, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit and go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, just kind of filming this little beach cleanup, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit and I know a lot of times there's a lot of stuff that ends up on this beach because it's right in between, you know, busy Taipa and Macau. And I regularly have seen people cleaning this regularly, which is great because a lot of trash can end up here pretty easily. I'm just gonna kind of go back, and I want to film some more of the sand that they're doing.
There's a crackers over there. Can you see that yellow thing?
So you can.
Can you see that yellow thing? That one next to the...
Okay, so we're gonna zoom. I can't see what that is exactly. There, you kind of see, but they reclaimed all this, and there's little stuff on it. I don't know exactly what those are, but I guess they're like kind of foundational stuff. Oh, some are red flags, and yeah, they go all the way down. And then earlier we were down here. I'll just zoom in on that so you can kind of get a full picture of everything. Chiquinha, chiquinha.